What's up, foodies? If you love dessert, but you're trying to lose some weight, this orange creamsicle high protein dessert is your solution. Let's be honest, so ever since having a kid, I've put on a lot of weight, more than I like to admit. And I think it's time to finally start getting back in shape and to lose a few pounds. So when I get a craving for a sweet treat, my orange creamsicle dessert has been my go-to. It tastes like something I shouldn't be eating, but it's packed with protein and almost takes no time to make. And if you stick around to the end, I also got a key lime pie and a strawberry cheesecake version. So with that said, let's get into it. Start with a medium bowl and pour in 3/4 of a cup of boiling water. Then take a packet of sugar-free orange Jell-O and slowly whisk it in. Adding the powder to the hot water this way is going to give you fewer lumps. Just keep whisking until it completely dissolves. Now whisk in a cup of fat-free vanilla Greek yogurt. It's going to look lumpy when you first add it in, then it's going to smooth out into that nice soft creamsicle color. In whatever dish you're using, tear up about 50 grams of low-calorie angel food cake and drop those pieces into the bottom. Then add in a 1/4 cup of canned mandarins. Make sure you drain them well so the dessert sets properly. Now pour the yogurt Jell-O mixture over the cake and mandarins. It'll soak into those gaps. Now slide it in the fridge so it sets. It takes about 6 to 8 hours or overnight. Once it's firm, finish it with a little whipped cream on top. It's super light, super creamy, and tastes just like my childhood. There we go. It's so good. Creamy orange creamsicle. Childhood right there. And it's so low calorie. It just works. The Jell-O makes it kind of like a mousse. And it soaks into the cake, giving that like trifle almost kind of flavor, texture. It's really good. And those little mandarins give it a little bit of tartness. Delicious. Now if you want to switch it up, I've been playing around with a couple versions that are just as easy. First, our key lime pie version. Swap the orange Jell-O for lime Jell-O. Start it the same way. Hot water first, whisk in the powder, then whisk in a cup of yogurt. But instead of cake and mandarins, crush 2 Biscoff cookies and press them gently into the bottom of your serving dish. Then pour the mixture over the top and chill it and top with some whipped cream. This gives you that delicious key lime pie flavor without all the effort. Now for a strawberry cheesecake vibe, use sugar-free strawberry Jell-O. Whisk it into the hot water, mix in the yogurt, and then whisk in a 1/3 cup of fat-free cream cheese. Bringing your cream cheese mixture up to room temperature helps a lot when mixing it in. Then chill it and then top it with some whipped cream and dig in. This is the dessert that helps me stay on track while I'm trying to lose some weight. If you give it a shot, let me know what version you make, or if you come up with your own ideas, let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, a subscribe down below, and until next time, Foodie out.